Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new, thanks so much for coming back. On today's video guys, we are going to be making this Tanzanian street food known as chips mayai or Zege. I hope you enjoy the video. So guys, what you're going to need for the chips mayai, potatoes, you have to chop them like this, like you're making chips. I used 3 potatoes, but they were kind of big. Then I have 2 eggs, I have black pepper and some salt. As simple as that guys. So the next step is frying your potatoes. Yeah, I like adding in salt in my potatoes before I fry them.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
So guys, on your eggs you can add in onions, you can add carrots, you can add, yeah, I see some people adding carrots, you can add green bell pepper if you like. Personally, I don't like adding in onions or anything, I just like it plain like that.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. a longer day. People feeling like
so this is our end product, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're going to try it. Remember, if you like, you can add in onions while you're beating your eggs. You can also add in the green bell pepper or even the colored ones, just whatever you like in your omelette basically. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Can we see everything that I said was happening? Or are you still carefree to defeat that you don't know?